Hello everyone, I welcome you all on my YouTube channel. My name is Dorah. In today's video I'm going to show you how my mom prepared for me food after coming back to Uganda from Saudi Arabia. Enjoy the moment. If you haven't yet subscribed, please consider subscribing for more details, for more information. As you could see in the video, my mom was busy preparing plantain, and if I tell you don't know how we traditionally prepare plantain in Uganda stroke Buganda, take a watch of this video. You learn step by step. So by the end of this video you will also be able to prepare yourself plantain or bananas. Thank you. Take a watch. Step by step you will also learn to prepare plantain. And as you could see, my mom, as anyone else maintaining hygiene, she had to first wash her hands before peeling off the plantain. So as you could see in the video, we had to work hand in hand, yeah, because I knew a bit of it as she taught me when I was still young, so I had to help her out in some things so that we can do things quickly. Yeah, continue watching. You will also learn and start preparing yourself plantain in such a way. Yeah, in that way. Enjoy the moment. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah. Let me hope someone who has watched this video this far has learned something, and all those are the steps that are taken to prepare plantain traditionally. And if you know you're a stranger and you wish to come to Uganda, if they come to serve you plantain on a plate, just know that those are the steps that are taken to prepare plantain. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, because on this channel I talk about health, alerting you on different diseases, what to do when you're having a disease, and much more. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do
do, so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move, so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.